So now we've had a go at the warm-up, let's have a look at today's teaching. Right, so we have a number square there up to 20, and we've looked at doing jumps of 1 when counting in 1, we've looked at doing jumps of 2 when counting in 2s, and now we're going to look at 5s. So I start at 1, and because I'm doing counting in 5, I'm doing jumps of 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to 5. Now I'm doing another jump of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's to 10. Remember, when we get to 10, it's a big jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. So we've done a jump of 5, then to 10, then 15, then 20. So I want you to have to think about what you can count in 5s. Are there any more that you can think of?